Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I am going to show you how you can apply the auto adjust to your clip in CapCut apps. Alright, so select your clip, your videos or your photos, and just going to adjust. Okay, and you can find the auto adjust, but this is pro a picture, and you have to join Pro Plus to be able to use this effect. So just click on it, and as you can see, the auto adjust has been applied, and you can adjust some parts that you feel are still lacking. For example, in the brightness, contrast, or etc. Okay, just click check mark, and yeah, that's it. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.